Commissioner and Secretary Katanat District Council Affairs ubak Cyril Dingdo haka Southrik Rempang, ulaong bagi sengsan perthe bat ki kyrtong bayakun yak Election Autonomous District Council ADC, kidai ban burom yak rajong ki Dorbar Shnong ban pynlong yak common platform kum ki rensan yalap election. Habakren syakilat utai kubor ubak Cyril ulaong bakal jing pynlong yak jingalang kadai ka bahab nyat kat kum ki kendon joka Model Code of Conduct MCC nakabenta ki sengsan perthe bat ki kyrtong nakabenta kan ki election syaki ADC bat ya kanila pharu syabaro ki party san perthe baki don kambanyo ya jingbit na ki deputy commissioner lani ki subdivisional officer nakabenta ban plong ya ki nuki jingalang patba ki rally ne jingat patba watla katta ulaong baki don kattu kan ki Dorbar Shnong ki balarai nakabenta ban plong dagi common platform. Kini kisnong kila yo jingbit ban pelong ya ke common platform na marhakan ke common platform kila aya ka juk kalat sa barok ke sengsan perthei kentup iki kyrtong simen bakin wan lang ha ka juk rensan bat penyat ya ka jingalang patba omdan satya ki basyak pendu omdan ke sengsan perthei lani ki kyrtong ki ban syak kentat ban pelong ya ka jingalang ha ka common platform ya kani ngiladap pensyai bah oi ladadon ki rajong kino kisnong ni burom ya kata karai bat kila ban penyak syakmat ong ubak Cyril. Kajing ujor belayok pediang dangsyen kalong baki dan kattu kani kisnong leksi kattu kani kisengsan perthei ki bamsyam na yok jingbin kumta ngila penmi ya kajing tha syaki DC banyak keren ya kirang bak shnong kenang ban la ban pelong ya ki election ka bamdan jing syak liang barok kisengsan perthei kentup ya ki kyrtong ki de ban yok ya kalat ban pelong ya ki jinglet yalap ya ki election Henry kata hadian belayo ya kajingbet ulaong. Lada kilarai ban pelong bet tang de common platform, bat kilarai bakan de ka rensan ka baki kwa ban pelong ya kajingalang, kum taru kolong ka badai. Lada kirai bakim kwa ban don ya kinu ki jingalang lat na ki common platform, bala a jingbet halor ka nongrim, kolong baki kwa ban ai ka juk ka kabu ya barok ki sengsan perthei bat ki kyrtong, bakin ya shimbenta ha ka common platform. Kum taru de ya ka ban burom nang babaro kinyo ya kalat ban ajing kren syakipat ba ula benram.
That there are some localities which have decided to have a common platform. So be it, they are permitted to have a common platform because in that common platform they are giving equal chance to all political parties, including independent contesting candidates, to come to the common platform and conduct a public meeting. Right? No one is denied. Right? No political party or no contesting candidate is denied to have the meeting in a common platform. For that, we have clarified that yes, if that's a decision of the particular locality, we respect that decision, it is permitted and you can go ahead. The complaint was that in certain localities, perhaps certain parties or political parties are not given the permission. So we have issued an instruction to deputy commissioners to talk to the headman and to all the localities saying that in the interest of free and fair elections, all political parties, including independent candidates, should be given the chance to campaign, of course, after taking due permission. Yes, if they decide that they will have only common platform and that is the forum where they want to have for a meeting, yes, correct. Then it becomes a common platform. If they decide that they don't want to have any other meeting apart from the common platform, that is permitted, is what we're saying. We have no problem because the principle is that they have given an equal chance to all political parties and contesting candidates to take part in that common platform. That should be respected so that everyone gets a fair chance to address the public.